guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my BoxyCharm versus Ipsy unboxing slash unbagging video, and I just want to first of all apologize because I know that I said that I was going to be posting videos weekly, but life has just gotten to me and it's just been so hard to do weekly videos lately. But I didn't want to miss my BoxyCharm versus Ipsy. My Ipsy bag always takes forever to get here. I always get my BoxyCharm like within the first 2 weeks of the month, and then my Ipsy for some reason always comes on the third, sometimes even the fourth week of the month. So it takes me forever to receive my Ipsy bag sometimes, which is why these videos are up a little later than what they used to be. I don't know why Ipsy takes so long to get here. I really don't, but whatever. I feel like my lighting is a little off today, but we're gonna work with what we got. I have my BoxyCharm right here and my Ipsy right here, which I never have it in this bag, but I kept the bag today. I did already see what's in it, as you can see right there, and the only reason why I always check what's inside of my box and my bag is because I want to know what products I need to pull out so that way I can film and I don't waste too much time. I'm gonna go ahead and start off by showing you guys what's in my BoxyCharm. So it comes with this super cute little card thing that has 2 different coupons on the back, I guess, and then it has all the details. So this is what it looks like when you first see it. Super cute. It has BoxyCharm in there. And then it has the theme, which is eye candy. It has the information down here about BoxyCharm, and then all the products that come in here, as well as the hashtags that you want to use for your post. So I really like the fact that it came in a little card. I just think it's really cute. So this month I got the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette, which I already owned. This is my palette that I already owned, and that's the one I'm going to be using. This is one of my favorite ColourPop eyeshadow palettes. I actually did use it in my yearly favorites tutorial, so I really love this palette. And then it also came with the Dr. Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask, so it looks like this. And then it came with the Brow Gal, the Insta Tint for light hair, which my hair is blonde, but I have a feeling this is going to be too light on me. It also came with these 2 brushes from this company. Let's see what it's called, because SL Miss Glam Brush Duo. So it's these really cute brushes. One looks like a flat shader brush, and the other one looks like a fluffy crease brush, which I'm really excited for. And they do look like they're synthetic. And then the last thing, so this didn't technically come in my box. I originally got the MAC Intensify lipstick thing, but my friend had her BoxyCharm and she had the lip product that I wanted and I had the lip product she wanted, so we decided to trade. So instead I got the Adesi High Definition Liquid Lipstick, and the shade name is nowhere to be found on this product. It doesn't even have it on the bottom or on the side. It doesn't say anything, but it is this really pretty like mocha brown shade, and I think it's more like a lip gloss versus a lipstick, but we'll see, I guess. In my Ipsy, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the bag, and the only reason why I kept the bag is because there was a product that didn't fit, I guess. I think it did, but whatever. So the first thing that I see here is this Firma Beauty eyeshadow brush number 202. So it looks like an angled crease brush. You can also use it for the brows maybe, so we'll see. And the bag, oh my gosh guys, it's, first of all, it's lavender, which you guys know purple's my favorite color. And then another thing you guys probably don't know about me is I love butterflies. So it has butterflies in the front, so it's pink and purple butterflies. Don't care for the pink ones, but the purple are definitely super cute. And then it has like rose gold trimming on the zipper and like on the front, so it's super cute. I really love this bag a lot. Super girly, perfect for spring. I lost the little card insert that came inside. It's somewhere in my room. I just have no idea where it's at. So this one came with a self-warming pore opening deep cleansing mask from Feel Restored. Feel, I guess, I don't know. And then it also came with an Ofra blush, which I'm really excited for this. This looks like it's a full size. Yeah, I think it's full size. Look. Whoop. Good catch. That almost went south. So it doesn't have the shade name of the blush, so I have no idea what shade this is, which I kind of don't like the fact that they don't have shade names. And I know on the little card thing that they have usually doesn't have it, but it says use in palettes and kits. Maybe online. Oh, Blush Chameleon. That's what it says on the back. So I don't know if that's the shade. And then it also came with a Real Her Girl Power moisturizing lipstick in the shade Mauve. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. If it wants to come out. So it's a little baby lipstick, as you guys can see, and it's this really pretty color. And then the last thing that it came with, which I probably won't try out on camera, is the coconut and coffee sugar body scrub from Pureless. Oh my gosh, this thing smells like straight up Starbucks. Ooh, I can't wait to try it. So with this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put my thoughts on it in the down bar. So make sure you guys do check that out. Probably try it tonight maybe, and then put it in the down bar. So that is it for my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm, everything that came in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off the video. So we're gonna start off with the things that came in BoxyCharm. So this is what the box looks like. Has that little paper that I told you guys about. And then I'm going to take the Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner mask. So it's a pore purifying mask. And it comes out white, but it has these little blue dots in it that when you rub it in your skin, it bursts and it turns gray. So it's pretty cool. I thought it was going to be more of a gray looking mask, but it has little pieces of gray in there. And then in the Ipsy bag, I'm going to go ahead and take the mask that came in there, which is supposed to be a heating mask. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the areas where I didn't apply the vacuum cleaner mask, which is supposed to be a pore cleaning mask. And as I was applying it, I realized that it did have that warming effect that it talked about. So it was pretty cool. So I just go ahead and apply that. It is a little thicker, so it is kind of hard to work with. And then it says to wait 10 minutes for both. So then I go ahead and wash it off. And after I washed it off, my face felt so refreshed. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on a little bit of moisturizer. This didn't come in any of the subscriptions. This is just the Clinique Pep Start moisturizer. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows with the Total Temptation Brow from Maybelline. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back into my my BoxyCharm and take the Brow Gal light tinted brow brush thing, and I'm going to go ahead and lightly apply that onto my brows. And you can see that it did kind of lighten up my brows a little bit, but it didn't look too bad. I kind of like the grading effect. So then I'm going into the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette, which looks like this. And then I'm going to take the brushes that also came in the BoxyCharm, as well as the brush that came in the Ipsy. And I'm going to dip into this color here called Labyrinth. I don't even know. And I'm taking the fluffy brush. And then I'm just going into my Morphe M543 brush, I think is what it's called, and just blending it out because that brush kind of was hard to work with. Then I'm taking that hot pink color, which I think is called Opulent, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use that angled brush from the Ipsy and apply that into the crease. This brush was kind of flimsy, so it was pretty hard to build up the color that I wanted. So then I'm going into this red shade here, which I think is called Peace of Mind. And I'm going to take that on this angle or this pointed taper brush from Morphe and just apply that. And you see how much more intense the color is with a more dense brush. The other brushes I felt like were very flimsy. So then I'm going into my Morphe blending brush again and just blending out all the edges. And then I'm taking this shade here called Details, and I'm taking that same Morphe pointed taper brush and just applying that on the outer V to kind of deepen up the outer V. And then I'm just kind of bringing some of that color into the crease as well to just deepen up the crease. And then going back in with that Morphe brush to just blend out all the edges again. And then I'm going into this shade here called, I think it's called Silk Street. And I took the flat brush from the BoxyCharm and just used a little bit of setting spray to intensify the eyeshadow. And you guys can see how intense that eyeshadow just became. It's like a really pretty golden iridescent peachy color. Super, super nice. So then I'm going into this shade here called
I think it's called Labyrinth. I think this one's the Labyrinth shade. And I'm just taking that onto my brow bone to just highlight that. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. And I'm going to go into the Ipsy and go into the Blush Chameleon from Ofra. And I really, really love the color of it. It's a really pretty peachy mauve-y color. And then I'm going into my ColourPop Innuendo palette, which is my favorite highlighting palette of all time. You guys can see just how creamy and wet looking these highlighters are. I just absolutely love it. So then I'm taking some purple eyeliner and just lining my lower lash line just to really tie in all the colors and really make it pop. Then I'm going into the shade Go With The Flow and just applying that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going into the shade, I think it's called Late Night, and just applying that right on top to intensify and connect the eye look. And just blending out all the edges. Then I'm going into the shade called Rayon, and I'm taking that on a MAC 219 brush and just applying that on my inner corner to really make it pop. It's this really pretty lavender iridescent color. And then I'm just putting on some mascara to go ahead and prep my eyes for some lashes. This is the Tarte's Camera Ready Lashes Mascara. It's not one of my favorites, and this didn't come in any subscription. It's just one that I already had. I just wanted to try it out, but I don't know. I don't like the brush of it. It's too hard, and I feel like it was poking my eyes, but it's okay. So then I'm going to go ahead and use these lashes from Kiss. And you guys can see how fluffy they look. So then I'm going into this Jante Blue Spice Brown, I think it's what it's called, or Brown Sugar lip liner, which actually came in a Boxycharm from a previous month, and I absolutely love this color. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. And then I'm going to go ahead and use from the Ipsy, the Real Her Mauve lipstick that came in there. So it's a really pretty moisturizing lipstick, but it does not smell good at all. So I just went ahead and put that on. And I didn't like how this lipstick looked with the eye look, but we're going to go ahead and top it off with the liquid lipstick that came from Alessi, which smells delicious. It smells like chocolate chip cookies. So I went ahead and topped my lips with that, and it kind of turned it into more of a brownish pinky color, which I really liked, and it definitely left the lips feeling really glossy.
So this is the finished look with my products from Ipsy and from BoxyCharm for the month of April. So overall, I really like how the look came out. You guys already know I love the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette. I really do think that it was named so perfectly because even though I already own the palette, I've only played with it maybe twice, or maybe even 3 times. I tried to purposely use colors that I don't usually use, and it's been a little while since I've used it, so I kind of forgot how pigmented some of the colors are, and like how some of them are iridescent and duochrome. Like if you guys can see, I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but this lid shade here kind of has like, it's a gold color, but it has like a little bit of peachy like iridescence to it, and then the inner corner, it looks like it's going to be a plain white color, but it's a nice pretty lavender color. And as well as the crease color, I didn't think it was going to come out this pinky. I thought it was going to be more red, but I do like how it came out, definitely. The liquid lipstick, I was right, it is more of a glossy, but it's like a very pigmented gloss is what I would describe it as, and it smells amazing. I really did like the Dr. Brandt mask a lot. And the brow gel, you know what, actually wasn't too bad. I feel like sometimes my brows tend to look a little too dark because my hair is so light, even though I do have the darker roots that need to get touched up. I will get my roots done within the next month, I promise you guys. But anyways, yeah, I think it actually worked out because it really lightened up the front part and made it look more gradient versus a really dark bold brow, which I like a more softer brow anyways. And it gives like a light hold to the brows as well. I probably wouldn't wear it on its own because it is so light, but to like lighten up a dark brow pencil, I think I would wear it. For Ipsy, I loved the Ofra blush so much, was super pigmented, and it's a really pretty like mauve peach color, which is really nice and perfect for spring. And the mask that came in there, I liked it because it had that warming feeling, but I feel like it really didn't do a lot for my skin. While the Dr. Brandt mask, I could definitely feel that cooling sensation even minutes afterwards, and it also did tighten up my pores just a little bit. My skin looks super dewy, which I love. Oh, the brushes. So the brushes in both subscriptions I honestly wasn't a huge fan of. I did like the flat shader brush that came in the BoxyCharm for the lid. I feel like it did a really good job applying the eyeshadow very precisely. Like you guys can see, I did this like carved cut crease type of look without even using concealer. All I did was just wet the brush, and even though it's kind of fluffier brush, I feel like it did a really good job at being very nice and precise. So this one's a really hard one because I did enjoy a lot of products from both of these subscriptions. I think I'm gonna have to give this month's subscription to BoxyCharm, only because I love ColourPop, and that ColourPop eyeshadow palette is one of my favorites, and I feel like I liked more things in the BoxyCharm versus the Ipsy. Like the Ipsy, I only like, I think, like 2 products, but it is very close because I did like both. I wasn't upset as I have been before in the past with Ipsy or with BoxyCharm even. So I am gonna say both of the subscriptions this month were amazing. That's pretty much it. That is this month's BoxyCharm versus Ipsy. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and as always, if you guys have any requests, please leave them down below in the comment sections, so that way I know what to film for you guys, because I think that's another reason why I probably haven't been filming as much, is because I really don't know what to film. And I know I'll always film the BoxyCharm versus Ipsy every month, but other than that, I'm kind of like drawn at a blank. Like I feel like I've hit a creative like writer's block, creator's block, I don't know. And if you guys do recreate this look, please make sure you guys do use my hashtag on Instagram, so that way I can check them out. I love it whenever I have my followers and subscribers recreate my looks. I have people who tag me in them with my handle, or they'll send it to me in an instant message or in a direct message, and I love seeing that because I love being able to inspire you guys to kind of think outside of your box. And the fact that people are even recreating anything that I do, it shocks me every time, regardless of how many people it is. The impact that my videos have on you guys means the world to me, and I love it whenever you guys do recreate my looks, whenever you guys do leave me requests, and whenever you guys leave me nice comments or feedback even in the comment sections. I absolutely love it, and I take every single thing that you guys say into consideration, because at the end of the day, I'm doing this for you guys. So thank you guys so much. Thank you to all of the people who have subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, all you have to do is hit the red button that I think is down here. Maybe it's over here, who knows. And also make sure you guys do hit the notification bell, so that way you guys don't miss out on any of the videos. I always try to post a new video every Friday, and if not, I post them on Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then.